Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English or any other language. It really doesn't matter. So first of all, open up a new tab which looks like something like this, as you hear here, background Google. And yeah, then what you need to do is just at the top right corner click on these three dots. And by the way, before we go next, like and subscribe if it will help you, and comment if you don't understand something. It really supports the channel. Then after you've liked and subscribed, click on settings. Then it's going to show many settings, but what you need to do is click on languages, then click on add language, and you can select a random language. Let's say I want to select Armenian, and I can just select it as a main, like click on this, delete. Like if I don't want one, like Hebrew, I don't want Hebrew, I'm not Hebrew, I can just delete it, or Armenian. If I move it to the top, everything's going to be Armenian. And then you should probably restart Google Chrome, and this should be it. So like and subscribe, have a fantastic day, and yeah, enjoy life.